Naija, Spain don sign 9 MOUs during Presido Buhari 3-day state visit for Spain. Naija and Kingdom of Spain don sign 9 agreements and memorandum of understanding for critical economic sectors wey go help dem expand the relationship wey dey between the two countries. Dis one shele for Buhari second day state visit to Spain, where e come carry different waka go sit down talk with the Spanish king, King Felipe VI, and Presido for Spain, Pedro Sanchez. Geoffrey Oyema, wey be Minister for Foreign Affairs, come talk say dem don strengthen the relationship wey dem get with Spain sake of dem dey find increased investment from Spain for Naija.
I think the major takeaway, I would say, is we've strengthened the relationship, reinforced the relationship with Spain. So we're looking to see increased investment by Spain in Nigeria. So that's going to be a real plus. Spain is also the largest importer of Nigerian gas, and I think third largest importer of Nigerian crude. So there's a strong relationship already there, and the importance of this visit is really to build on that.
3 agreements show the collabo between Naija and Spain to fight corruption, wey include agreement for mutual legal assistance on criminal matter, transfer of people wey dey for prison, and extradition treaty. Abubakar Malami, wey be Attorney General for the Federation and Minister for Justice, come talk say dis na ogbonge milestone as far as fight against corruption and recovery dey concerned.
It is indeed a great milestone as far as the fight against corruption is concerned, as far as recovery is concerned. It is a first step, and then building on what we have done by signing the agreement, we will take a step further by tracing the illicit assets, and then by having same recovered and repatriated.
Naija and Kingdom of Spain concern memorandum of understanding for tourism, economic sectors, and financial cooperation.
The volume of trade between our two countries is very, very limited, and most of it is about 97-98% of it had to do with the purchase of oil and gas from Nigeria by the Kingdom of Spain. We believe that there is scope for increased trading between us, and we have both agreed to work towards that.
This particular M.O.U. is to look into how there can be better collaboration between Nigeria and Spain in a manner that will promote tourism on the two sides. Because you know that Spain is one of the top hitters in tourism. And I think in the next few weeks or months to come, there will be concrete implementation of some of the things we signed today.
The two countries constantly sign memorandum for science, technology and innovation, for health, especially fight against COVID-19, and development of sports.
When you look at the reclassification of sports to business by Mr. President and the national sports industry policy that is coming on stream, and you look at what you have here, where sports is already business. You talk about the Real Madrid, you talk about La Liga, you look and see what's happening in the whole sports ecosystem in Barcelona. There's a lot we can learn here, and I think this partnership comes at a period that is so timely, where government and the private sector can work together to develop Nigeria's sports industry, learning from a country like the Kingdom of Spain that have done excellently well.
Naija ambassador to Spain come promise say dem go follow up to make sure say dem carry out the agreement.
I will ask every minister that signed the agreement today to assign to us a desk officer who will follow this agreement in total. Therefore, it will not be demised.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.